Hey y'all, today on Restless Chipotle, we're gonna bless our budget and our future self with a big batch of barbecue chicken. We're gonna put our boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs in the bottom of the slow cooker. The next thing we're gonna do is just put the barbecue sauce on the chicken. You can use homemade barbecue sauce. I've got a Dr. Pepper barbecue sauce on the blog. You can use your favorite commercial barbecue sauce. Any of those are gonna work fine, but you want about 12 ounces and a cup and a half to 2 cups. And if I didn't say it, 3 to 4 pounds of chicken breast or boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It doesn't really matter. And I've found that a package of 4 or 5 chicken breasts can vary from 3 pounds to 4.5 pounds. So either way, it's gonna be fine. I always put a little water in and squish it around so that I can get as much of that barbecue sauce as possible. And then if it's too watery at the end of cooking time, I will just take the cover off and let it cook for a little bit. So now we've got all of that barbecue sauce. And then you're just gonna spread it over the chicken. Make sure it's all covered in it. So easy, right? At this point, all I need to do is put the cover on, turn around here, I can't see. Hit slow cook on low for 8 hours, and dinner's ready. I'll see you back here then. I like to, about 30 minutes before I'm ready to eat, I like to just shred the meat up. And as you can see, this did get really watery. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the cover off. And while this is simmering in the juices, after I've shredded it, it'll evaporate and be thicker, so it's not quite so watery. By the time that you get everything shredded, it is not as watery because the chicken kind of soaks some of it up as it gets shredded too. You can serve this in hamburger buns. I just did a video on how to make your own hamburger buns last week. Or you can serve it over rice, just any way you want to do it. Over pasta. It's just really good. Good barbecue chicken, and it freezes well. So like if you've got chicken breast or chicken thighs on sale, you can make a lot of it in your slow cooker and freeze it in recipe size portions. Now we're just going to let that simmer for a little bit, and I'll be back. The sauce really kind of disappeared. It's all soaked into the chicken, and it's so moist and juicy and delicious, full of barbecue flavor. And that's a lot. That was close to 4 pounds of chicken. And that's probably going to be at least 4 meals for us, definitely 3. So it's a great way to save time and also to save money. All right, so like I said, you can put this on rice, you can put it on hamburger buns, sandwich buns, whatever. It's really, really good on onion rolls, by the way. But today I'm just going to be putting it on regular hamburger buns for a quick, easy dinner. Probably serve it with chips because it has been a very long day. And we're just gonna stack that on there nice and high because barbecue sandwiches should be messy. And there we've got it. There's our chicken barbecue sandwich. So good, smells so good. And it was quick. 2 ingredients. It was easy, and dinner's ready when you are. I'll see y'all next week, okay? I hope you come back. I hope you give this a try. I love y'all, and remember, the recipe is down below. You may have to scroll a little bit. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to come back, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.